ha ewie Hot Digital Online UK NAUTA many lawyer Nana Moa of Wiseman Solicitors and yewo fidiem ha ewie yebeko Christmas yi nim say enyama bebre afi ewure mu a ye de bremo na ye di hu komo bebre na no lawyer wo ha obemma ye rundown na ye call the Christmas break no na ye hu ensema ebede dwa bi wo ha ye de ye adwuma bi so ayamfa nye adwuma na ye kuso anso bom nkaye efa visa ho sensem no eno so ya de a it has come to stay ya de a eba betna enti eno is going to be part of the issue today. Other subsequent matters in regards to various administrative the migration status near the nano, we are going to combine it together. We started in a fruitful manner. Ye bompa say nyame beka ye ho na afi ye be remi ye nano ye tinkwemi nyame will grant us that leave in na to media cross the new year. Ye ba mu na fisha panso. Enti mema lawyer Nana Moa Akwaba na ye di nkomo anope na ye di nkomo anope ti wie Nana Moa wo ha enti lawyer Mema Akwaba na what you say? Okay. Why smart you see ano bro nyema na yere mu na then now the to for ni adofo enim ewie ansa na ye di nkomo
yo the kan na ye di aseda manyame so of course edoye na waboye ho ban bekum samre na wonso a woti efri echi so echi a o se ba na wonso a omortie en so no samre so onso de nchi akese fi Wiseman Solicitors e de brewo nyina okay se na wo kan no nyame adom afi no akwakoro aba beto ye nyame ekura ye mu papa oni ye ediniye eye ye nko ni busuafo nyina adofo nyina yante atenkabo ni bia okay na ye fasa akwan so fa eduma na ye eni nipa na ye se yen etie free a wority ye so won kan ye ho a anka eduma ye enyi ni sa ni ti ya fasa akwan so ma wo nyina afishapa
okay
na esa ma wo moni yo wo eduma sometimes no won say dua ebe no ina etwi okay sometimes no misunderstanding yo man me na me ketu ni ti no say ya fa kwan eduma ne papa mu ye ni ti no so bi anti asiye na ebufu bi wo a adwobra wo ye ready afashe ya wo Yesu ama ye na chese ye nje ni nyina ema no ni ye hwe ni a ewo ho ema ye ye de wo nyina se wo mo a wo mpono a lot of people kra no they are not our client but indirectly no they direct people about they recommend people to us. All those people we owe them a very very thank you for supporting us throughout the whole year beginning now to Sambre no the one nyina se nia ebinimo de to won kuma so na nka wo hwese anka fi ebekọ na se anko ni yi no
okay
Job se mi woni da so se nyame besa aye to kan se bia kura woni da so se so wotwa na eto fema besa fifi enti se ebia fi nyame bia odisi weni so na anko ni yi a once a owo nkwa na woni da so ha na je se bibia betumi aye enti eche wo nyina e mo bia nso afishapa
okay
bia ndi afini papa oni ye na ye hwe de nyame beye afi e be wura mu no gidi se nia ye ndi nia ye na nia ya ye abedu nso nyame betumo ye na ka sa so me so asa kwa nso chia management Wiseman Solicitors de bi onwo bia no Nyame nshiru bibia say we work as a team, we work as a family. There are a lot of spirit of unity, spirit of purpose.
That's right.
Coordination was there, communication was so effective, led by our able leader, Lawyer Wisdom.
Wisdom Akaho.
So down to the earth.
Yes.
India, anytime we call on him in terms of direction.
The gift of the mommy here, when tries to me every.
I go to now, Chairman.
I know what I'm talking about.
I understand.
I know that promise will be fulfilled.
Yes.
In the name of Jesus. But I tell you,
no, yeah.
I say, now, so you know, fan papa.
No, yeah. Make we took a
Oh, okay. Otie.
Yeah, Otie. Okay. No, my man, I will be on
Mobile. It's your muna. All right.
With God, all
things are possible. Sure.
I think, and I'm used to Christ. Community. And it's not about the minds, it's not about our strength, it's not about the knowledge, it's by the grace.
By the grace of God.
By the grace that we have been sustained and we too. Wise man solicitors to a TV application, home office, it is by his grace. And he do be bias, do our boy, who buy a bomb pie, and my and I didn't now. The first acquaintance also each year with district pastor, Pastor Oliver, Cassie, Pentecost, Dagenham district. On a Yenuaba, Mama, baby Biomopia, the Chewina, Enna. I saw him 2 funny last week in the Christmas convention.
Oh, okay.
Now, fruit getting me and call but that's how the life is. And you children, and the apostles, national head,
all right. Lawyer Nanamwa and meaning wolf game high. Yeah, wrap up, we not just say. Nyama bibria and then send bibria you do come immigration and send the how the awful set if your application be a coy and answer a cockra no monsanka and I say omuma wire ni no you do come bibria a lawyer for omudia kotene the community a wise man solicitors 18 to 22 Ashfield Street, Dalston, London, EA 3DL. Enti omo ena dani de nyina no yege nsempa no brew na ene titru ye behwe ensem a yede atom nim dani de nyina ene ohawa ya ukom ye hwe the students who sentem ye hwe nurse for hwe family life, private life. Ne dia keka ho na visa ne dia keka ho transformation aba a wo sesa ye shebre especially the immigration status ene kwan a fa so a wo use old passport ne bi veyet ne dia keka ho ne stamp ne ade na ni na lawyer ya keka kansanse mi na ye be run down na ya bonyama tofa ndi lawyer ye hwe na wo bibia opesa woka for now na chi no yenhwe na yembo no to fan kakra na sorry so
yo me da say me pese case case the aba from
it was a case law
a case in aba if we court of appeal in about 2024 year case of Miss Ali versus Secretary of State for the Home Department 2004. Citation here GWCA Civil 1546.
Okay.
Now, FA EU dependency rule. Now, case no say na make no FA yenu ba appellant no oyoba ofi Bangladesh e ho ne ye wo ina omame eye EU national omame ye efi Italy yes intino EU national wa backroom ha or right of resident right of leave here What's nice? Enti no oba he no eye o ma me no yi national no. Ina nkohia say so oba no ne ba no e ka no. Enti ne ba no e by apply for EU family permit.
Okay.
Ina what the man that was 2014. Ina what the buy. Into otremu anti otremu wie no cause am no ba family permit be more 6 months after 6 months answer na why engineer oba no no san a year another application onya a resident card.
Okay.
Your man 5 years. Di nyina no at that time no nya 21 years because he won no 1994
okay.
At that time. Nti nyame adom ono oba nti eyi ina wo man no ne resident card no that was 21st September 2015 and valid until 21st September 2020 on the condition said we will continue to depend on the mother.
Okay.
And so dependency rule no is now taking place here.
Okay.
And you know abofrey ali apparent no obetena akom ha for 5 years. Into 5 years now so into na also on all year another application under EU settlement scheme. As a relevant family member of the EEA National on 9th October 2019. At that time, so we have 5 years.
Okay.
So Oba and Yamiadon within that course, Obey Oba school, degree from engineering university, one of the engineering universities. They are not way very good. Wabe waren so e wa ha awo baba ko na osaye juma enti no onne o mame ne enti bi
living
dependent life wate no ho a family man na I mean say now there was a problem kakra bi enti no ontimi nya emra ko renew no ontimi anya document a HSS cloud order so depend e wo ne ma so. Enti na emre oya application ne lawyer which is a normal practice so no lawyer refer to home office say use the assistant document now for refer to her majesty revenue records HRC we know because say our hand so ye juma all those records which we because on my menu now I think said there was Mr. Anastani kakra in tem kakra abaye.
Okay.
The yina OES application and EU settlement scheme for settlement.
Okay.
In our also submit application. Unfortunately, the application was refused on the grounds that the applicant did not meet the eligibility requirement because she was not dependent on her EEA citizen relatives. That's on my main. Yes, so the application was refused.
Was it valid?
It was refused. It's not valid. It was actually refused outright. Because when we did the eligibility requirement as a child dependent, because when we na if you are my honor and support the application, of course, on another dream, say, they say. But Home Office, because of the EU rules, dependency rule, on based on that, more refusal application. In a appellant, Ali, Mami, administrative review, say almost an engine of bill. The administrative review, almost a refusal, say, almost a Home Office because we meet with. Appellant no Ali no antia say osan akoye judicial review say omugin no ye judicial review no dismiss ono na case no e support Home Office enti na say two baby a okọ administrative review no one refuse judicial review no refuse ye nwe antia say osan ekọ the court of appeal the Honor Court of Appeal no in the court of appeal came to conclusion said the Court of Appeal has said that a child who is over 21 years and has right of residence based on a dependency on their EU citizen parent does not lose those rights. If they start working and are no longer financially dependent on the applicant.
Okay.
So Court of Appeal in the HSA abofra wonya more than 21 years. Na o depend on my meso. Ontimi elusu no right in a home office no ekas so it doesn't have right because dependency na meeting. So far as otimi eye adwuma na ke say sa ne right na edaso ewo. So based on that, and the Court of Appeal concluded that the High Court erred.
Okay.
The High Court erred and allowed the appeal and quashed the Home Office Secretary, Home Office decision. Doing all quashing, if you know. And what they are saying is, Court of Appeal says, essential dependence is determined at the date of the application.
Okay.
And once that has been established, the right to work takes precedent over the requirement for ongoing dependency.
Okay.
What means or by as a dependent, and that requirement will meet it down. And ongoing now, the most important answer, it must have a right to work. In again, so it is a no, you add them now between a cast or sign depending and answer. And because of that,
the Court of Appeal now question the High Court in here.
The Court of Appeal concluded that High Court judge
Wafum. Okay.
The High Court judge and the decision was allowed. The appeal was allowed.
Okay.
And quench the Home Office decision.
So for now, the administrative review was also refused. The judicial review was refused because they were basing
on the dependency rule.
Yeah. And now what Home Office achieved.
That's it.
Okay, so for now, the High Court has that jurisdiction to invoke.
It's not the High Court, the Court
of Appeal has invoked.
Yes.
Say, you see, you're right.
Yes.
We'll meet that standard.
We'll meet because when when you look at the conclusion now, also the Court of Appeal has said that a child who is over 21 years and has right of residence based on dependency on his EU citizen parent does not lose those rights.
Okay.
If they have started working and are no longer financially dependent on the parent.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It is only 20 years. Na oye juma. No depending on mama so mama scam koto e. Ono nkyerese say teaching na you went me independent on mama so ntin when you want
right. Okay.
And this has been a new case.
It is a case law.
Yes.
Okay.
But according to the Home Office also indicated at the hearing, the Home Office indicated so Obesan appeal.
Indicated. Say
Obesan appeal against the Court of Appeal.
Ono be appeal.
Yes.
That is Court of Appeal.
So about seek permission from Court of Appeal.
I think Home Office still until no one. Okay.
Until one here.
Okay. Ono be appeal answer.
Ono no so.
So oya appeal na say oko. Na say High Court mission na so obogua. Na je say Ali media na abaye case.
So as I'm speaking,
case law.
So as I'm speaking, so back send me application before within the system. The ministry start case law application and got to accept.
Okay.
And so, the time my Home Office be appeal.
No. For now,
for now it stands.
Okay.
Yes. For now it stands.
Okay. It's a good
because decided.
Not just say Ali, I understand his competence. When he lost the case between Ononi against Home Office, and there are several applications where now was refused. He didn't relent. He went ahead to do this at the Court of Appeal, and when this
that is granted. That
it just in Kotnas here.
Because say nipa bia osu obi wo ho na wo ko kan ntoko a wa ba funu
wo fun go so wi a wo bi a
odo be kwa
litigant
ono be kwa bi no be so ho na we house ye fe menya enti no home office refuse wanti ase okoye ye fe na administrative review.
Okay.
Administrative review refuse. Wanti ase okoye judicial review.
Judicial
review refuse. Wanti ase no the court of appeal.
Okay.
Because all these in your first stages in here, different people all together. So it's not one person now. It's a different people.
But you not just say judicial review, administrative review now decided with Home Office.
That's it.
But initial objection and refusal from Home Office.
That's it.
Okay. Like I said, branch and I idea.
Why
fought hard.
It's a very positive case.
Yeah.
See when him say because of this, ama ebusuafo entemo enye papa
okay
also ye behwe say ma me de wo ba he ko renew a behwe because you need the EU national document to support say you are still dependent on EFL or no. It is waba na say kasakasa ba say ye behwe it is state
na so provide us the document be
omwa the EU national must be a qualified person.
Okay.
Qualified person means oye ejuma it or the name we no ebeba into wo na wo ye child no irrespective of ejuma wo ye hwe wo ejuma na wo ye hwe qualified person no ye hwe sponsor no ino ni pay so ali so no weni okura ye fe na degree in engineering
jonya kola
oye ejuma wawo also say change na this will depend on command so in a court of appeal with their wisdom no say no total wrong.
It for now court of appeal no and administer that objection refusal from Home Office any judicial review and administrative review.
That's correct.
And the Home Office want to litigate this matter again.
That's what they say, but I don't see any. I don't see any.
Think when they go, there will not be any positive signs.
Before they do an appeal, they have to seek permission from the Court of Appeal.
Okay.
And the Court of Appeal will refuse it.
Yeah, because already the Court of Appeal take its time.
It will refuse that. The only option that was that's what they call Justice of Court of Justice of European Union.
Okay.
And that cannot work.
That cannot work.
And because so it cannot work. So we told there be a Home Office, we have patapaka. But how could you want to say Obeja?
Okay, that is Ali Wayaki.
Yeah.
It has become a case law.
It has now. It has become a case
So
law.
anybody who go through such problems, or your application, and you refuse to say, will need the requisite. I'll bet to me. And that application no successful. No, that just the steps are Ali taking. A ban said toa, you also have to take precedence on this particular judgment. But I guess way I case law.
You don't need to take that step. Send Ali. Ali has
I'll set the precedent already.
Created the path.
Okay. Do you
just have to refer to Ali's case.
Okay.
Ali versus Secretary of State for the Home Department 2024 GWCA Civil 1546. Then you explained what the Court of Judge said. You finish.
Okay. All right. Now, it made me so busy. Today we are doing a variety of issues we discussed previously.
Yes.
Now, under normal circumstances, I have an issue of abduction, which it is not easy. People, I know, say Ghana from the now want to bring some of their siblings from Ghana. Go on and BBA. Now you saw to be a Kolanaba. My rundown kakra, that issues no send a wizard call of afar.
We interested and no good friend say but I can yes of go on also the baby was so a doctor.
Okay.
And you know Pine you saw Sabafra when you're so when you're 30 years. Oh man in Mofran a doctor in Mofran when you talk about adoption and you go with the children.
The children, okay. That is at the age.
Under 18
or the
years.
teenage.
Yeah, under 18
under
years.
18 years, okay. Teenage.
So if the child is 18 and above, you cannot adopt the child.
Okay.
You cannot adopt the child.
Adolescent.
There's another route
Which me afa.
which me afa.
Okay.
Adult relative dependency which me afa. Now adoption, because of the child trafficking, it's very, very crucial.
Okay.
Say if you want to adopt a child, as I say, we meet a lot of requirement and criteria. And yes, Anna, what they are about waha.
Okay.
And you know that you take the adoption process from UK, you continue Ghana, then you come back.
Okay. So it's a long process.
It is a long process.
Okay.
Now, because who can adopt our family indirectly, say application is successful, adoption is successful. Our family your bow.
Obey your back.
Ebe your ba. A Japadi Pia will be an Omuchefa.
Okay.
What I say? It don't mean graduates over I am madam for. Now I'm watching America and Baba and only their own car. No. And they look at area first, they will assess you financially.
Okay.
Say financial, how financial sound
Are you?
Because of one haba, which me ashen. Say never your own by dependent on the government.
Okay.
The way assessing now, which my way they look at it. That's the financial aspect. So now they look at the moral, psychological aspect. Because social workers will come in. So the social workers will come in and assess you psychologically. Say, I dream now what he has said. What do you find? Do you have some mind to make the decision?
That's a long journey.
That's it. So they take your GP medical
So there's going to be
records.
a scrutiny and evaluation.
They are
Of
going
your sound
Yes. So that's what first they are looking at your financial status and assess it proper. Say, Oba, wait me ashe.
So it's like this falls under eligibility requirements, more or less, partially.
Only a different.
No.
So they look at the financial, your financial status requirement first. Assess it financially, you are financial sound.
Okay.
To be able to adopt another child.
That's right.
So wait me ashe. But say the BBO here be wait me abua. Then they look at your mental history.
Okay.
So mentally, are you sound? Yeah. Are you sound? Are you making do you have sound mind to make that decision?
Sound mind.
To make this decision and a problem. So home office social workers will come in and assess everything. Then they look at accommodation wise.
Okay.
Oh, maybe a better. Oh, maybe a better. They look at all these things. Maybe a better. In a one case, and they look at how fit you are in terms of readiness.
You're then ready to meet the battle.
Because a coach through an American kind. Not just say, Abofana by your bow. It is Abofana by your by the Padipia will be Abofana Umuchef or China, Nasa Yama Frawa. Abofana Umuchef. During this process in our home of social workers, do explain all these risks to you and ask you whether you are ready.
Ready, okay.
So you go
So
through.
it's like a commitment. Or something you think is are you sure
Yes.
you want to commit this?
Yes.
Okay.
And there will be a lot of letters.
So
There's
a process.
That's it. Until yes, our process from here
Okay.
or to the council, which from the council through all the social workers in Ghana. Also, Marco, answer now the 2 certificates in our you will be able to apply for the adoption process. It was obey winning now you win now. When you do the adoption now, you will. What Emma own castle say a Miami Miabana, the one in a bed to me the party. Into 1 month, they interview the children and see their view. Say, what is there going to create a problem? So it's not.
But this thing has been a trajectory for a very long time. People who reside in the UK sometimes maybe I will lose soon the brother B, then the brother battle person adopt now. It's a consistent issue, sir. Do you think they will be able to go through this process.
Of course, sir. Who say? You are quiet,
Quiet,
quiet.
okay.
Quiet, no, you might be do hold, be cry, who she be cry, or brother. Then I'm so person be at the corner. What young bread, it should be a difficult. Okay. In the year, no mass, I see, and say, oh, you'll be out of so I feel I do so I know okay, I know you're easy for you to
ready made.
It is our person who walk through that process. Now, when we be back because of probably disintegration of the family, and now the death has taken precedence into our family, you could do no just say I be or more depending was one out here now person adoption now. That's fine. No, you have to pass through this process. Prepare yourself. It's not 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Sometimes 8 months, sometimes 1 year, sometimes 2 years. All depend on the speed what they call and a document you have in a way. So when you come now, we assess you, prepare your mind and then we take you out. It's about home a friend, a social workers in the council for no access on validity all your circumstances. Then you see, say, even though a quiet, now to say no, a bear, a fool, which me I
now, what will trigger when you have children? Now you want to go through this adoption of a child, maybe your sibling or brother be bar now, be crowd person of fun now, who's holding the canon. Oh, mano, you be social baby song say, oh, yeah. Satisfied with the root of person far, so person of far, a better now, the yellow, what do you can't?
You see, all this is amount to communication, effective communication. Because man, the one man said, Miniano Palm, Miniano Efria, wouldn't near ever, but Oba come. So you sit down and communicate to them, the children, say, this is the situation. Mumia back more of a baba on this situation says me person of our daughter ever come before and say Musumunia on my better hand of our better beginning if you are Montias because of me and friend. But as I would me prepare on my in your money man because I yes I'm friend about all this stages are social workers and I can't person of family now as I'm friend about on be a victim of your friends circumstances. Because of back now, my men and I said, my Jano, what Jay about for not to not near no more than one to feel on and then comfortable. Yes, okay. You get what I mean? Until your homework and all say, over prepare, you feel no more for one on the one bit can I now just be you who on and maybe can now or pop out and yanko. Okay, that's it. Okay,
all right, that kind. Now, you're share invitation. Invitation, somebody want to invite somebody, not a number. Now, if you are some invitation when the person comes, if you are not a so if you are a man of 6 months and a year,
yes.
Why you be a number? Or person of call and I say, what is the consequence?
Consequence on who?
The power.
Of course, send the amount of 6 months. In a way, after 6 months, you have to return. So, what bridge immigration rules? Okay. Then you become overstayer. What mean, yes, and that is another effect also. Because we are visitor, you cannot work. We are visitor, you cannot go to school. We are visitor, you cannot marry. So these are the things that you can in a NHS way no and a normal circumstance. First time with me enjoy the NHS. After that's the primary healthcare. Secondary healthcare, you have to go to private and pay. Okay. So all these things are there. It is what your wife being said. What opa now won't mean qua. As I said, when you so this is the risk you are taking. Therefore, you find another way to regularize your status. Okay. On not to why I visit there, he knew I'll wait me. There are a lot of things you can make. Okay. When you meet, you seek legal advisor. We tell you routes are a bit wait me for so even though one buy and one call. Now so when I wait me for so now they say wait me I
okay. All right. Enti your bro you media be taking it cool. We will be now so bisa wait me afre 07908443338 07908443338. And I read a skilled worker. Now saying would be two Jaffa companies are they have been only your sponsors.
Yes.
Some of them their licenses have been revoked due to some circumstances. I mean they breached the rules. Na obi wa no akofo obi aba nipa ni nye adwuma nye. Na wa sign so etunani esi nipa no so. Remember so few days be na time no elapse they will give you 60 days to leave the country if you are not able to switch. Sanyama we na akoso if to be na wo for enuanom and that's for ni ade oba krum ha bi ko form ba.
Yes, Medas, they are very, very crucial. Say, you have the expectation, say, oh, Bakumuha, Abakan Bushia, from Abayuma, Abua, Bushia, not for Batna, is soon do or went to my ayati. Then, when I back on my channel, so say, sometimes, you know, we say, once now we are applicant, now we application, you do small investigation.
Oh, now we
yes, once I say we yet small investigation. At the back, yes, steady, you say, most of times, yeah, Busian Morgan and numbers on back. They go through agents.
Okay.
Into agent in India say, for own you may maybe be a time, so I'm a frost that you will.
Not that call.
If you run a company where doesn't exist, or for years when you see ways in a amount. Into if you a company where agency, I will need you, man.
Okay.
Into sometimes, you know, what I understand is to say, agency make at your place, immediately need man, it might be my mouth, I'll be a 3 months and 6 months. Your friend, agent now, or intermediary now, on delivers a message in a mouth. Because everything is okay. You bring it to now, your friend there, or the amount. Okay. Be too hard now, your problem. Even though, no, under normal circumstances, you don't need to pay for COS.
Yeah, free.
You're free.
You are qualified.
That's it. You don't need to pay. But here's the case, sometimes, you know, the editing say, every paragraph, new memo, now, for your way. Entine ahweye ni say person so obi ka so wenya COS a and so also your investigation be say company be who call Google and ask who call we na obo company ni dia you are able to check say company no exist and he has the right to recruit any your money ma who say me ba how many hours in an ba be ejuma no is it permanent and ask temporary me pay at the same from here to here, no distance net the same. You know all this is, and also be sure, sir, you have the contract of employment. Okay. And we read the clauses in your now. So, be now on Tiasana, your all your application man. You can contact the person. So, or share the work very strong in one as a year, 10 cents. And yes, most attacks in the air things over there, yes, you call. A month for call, new room, I won't cover fast or faster. Don't forget, as a queen Pierre once and I fast or for a car. Once I make me a fast or a be also what time you know about a be to be so many ways. It is a will be a fast on a year, just also fast. And I said, you're very careful. Let me give you one, 2 scenarios. Quite recently now, the application, Emma, health and care, Okofa ne Baba. In our on my year application, in our baby, will refuse you. Okay. Will refuse you, be referred not a prayer. It may not make it. And to me interview now to say now so application now we are not a from so now why you may be or what as I saw the can and knock off a janaba anything a refuse you ain't you know fair na to one the only as I said yeah administrative review that's the kunya the network administrative review a check. Then we know say yes. So we put everything there. Administrative review no could do after 6 months. You know, my men no application administrative review na Ghana year application. On this US, my men is US no. You train. What you say? You train you revoke ni employer no license into affecting. It in the US no you train. Into Ghana see you train say na di woso na yegina ene yakofo maya ba woso pra say woni asetna enti ebe yede no se lawyer em say we dey dis nyame bem ye kusu fra ye fam Abraham nyame no bem na am say nyame wo bibia wetumi aye in this case be application administrative ye hwe ene nyame adom what the man right what the man no say as say or no okofo ma member abofra na ba on so ni crack and to be no abofra na ba but finally we are able to maneuver and abofra na ba that's one scenario. Another scenario is another client say your friend or apply for CWS or Ghana through agent in our demand within 2 months time 1 month time in the home office actual agent in say sponsor now must CWS no on revoke the license into not just say indirectly no the client so no also be lose make now Ghana and can solve ba into I didn't ba na say otu ho na mo no hwe na mo agent ka yen so don't how don't worry the onya the tentem the onya na say obeko okwa everything into ema okope bosua ekope ye fe loan kakra e the top rent ticket gidi se kan obedu kutu ye fe na hitro na mo ka say wo employer now on issue we no you revoke the license in a email so almost 1 month ago so you are aware no so no so we agent na on your year because you are aware say you refer na email address na ma so you are aware say adam even though the amount if you revoke we
no farm na
girl you are aware we nyina you aware but the agent persuade your friend na there no say kokoko enye hwe o metumi an me no ma so to bibia ko obedu hitro return and the 2 hours the next flight
no
you see the whole thing you try to dey mu obedu ye obezu ye try to dey mu ne ba
do bia
ne say ahweye se say wa bo ka egu kwa ahweye enti no bibia obeye bia no say watchmu ye won na ha seek advice from solicitors and they will help you with that.
All right. Inti lawyer nanamwa ena meneni di nkomo ye be ko break no also betumi afre se na ye kan no na wo bibia opeso bisa wise man solicitors wo ho mawo me ye djuma kakra ebi wo ho na wa application the application na wo ye no san kan or how be aba ho eden se bimpo dum pempen so a na lawyer for kire se enyema bi wo ho a won efekese for nim se wo na wo ye ya ebi wo betumi aye because we would read you can read and write and understand that principle the cardinal principle say wo ye application bi wo hia se wo ye nsi but because say won ye lawyer ni ntino enyema nkitinkiti bi na boni say technicalities emdom de baby tiu nti dani de nyina no ye na ye nhihye se wo ye application bi na wo nhye da nim hu ni ndia menye ma a lawyer for no enye mawo na wonye na bibie ni a won ni home office na edi hwebom wo de wo ye obesi independent person wo ye wo application e bia na application no say successful but because say wo hwehwe na wan hwehwe ni ye nti no do wa no mo e refuse application no nti ye besre say ye be rafu for me sa nsakraye no bebre no wo ho a say ye na ye hwehwe the e-levy the almighty the e-visa okay maybe line no 0790844338 0790844338 nti ye be hwe
visa.
E-visa. E-level.
All right, get you.
So yes, e-visa no. Say na it is replacing the physical document.
Okay.
You say all your friend applicants and I say everybody who holds biometric resident card. Nina, why I'm saying about 31st December card no the ebe.
No, okay.
For
now, no 31st December the
oh, all they say card and ebe.
Okay.
Card never. In a deadline for e-visa also 31st December. But last week, there has been some extension. Already I call 31st March 2025. But card need the ebe. It is a 1 year there, but more than you have almost 3 months. Na fire. Say eba say upe so utukwan. Na your friend or card mo I there. Ewa. Home Office at the share measures. Say airlines no will be able to accept.
Okay.
Say even though a wound so which made a call, which made a bar. In our contract, Fako Emma who say ampa ukra your friend there, your biometric card, Nemo a woo. Utukwa, what they call it shows source of evidence that indeed you have right of residence here.
Okay.
In again also, but more than answer passport now, Uber download into the visa account. Now I link to it.
Okay.
Because now so a bit me abwa and I did. But more than answer obey answer na wako. Sometimes you know, you will blow you see you could do 1 repair or Ghana, do na family issue. 1 week in me now person would another week so now Odepa. 1 should be a person the quaba yet, but by not say I yet too late.
Okay.
But more than answer Obeko. No akoye. Say our card ne ewa 31st December now. It doesn't matter. Which me ede to cry.
Okay.
When na mo na ewu na honhom ne de etiase. And look between the two cry osan ede aba. Esa ebon de so obi a okra sticker one. And now say okra wet stamp ink vet no sticker. And I say wet stamp ink no so ono nso no you have option. Others are over converting to no time limit. And now say obey naturalization through naturalization to become a British. Ono won't mean visa not direct. Ono won't mean visa direct. In evidence, the Home Office Amayati says since 31st October 2024, say only issuing the BRP card. And also card I get a only issue. Now about say no unya letter and now say decision say application yes successful more card. Okay. No mono you more that letter no grant of letter no reference number no wait me use that reference number no e dey create you ye visa. Okay. Wait me I use not dey create visa because I'm saying wiki be a year now because someone jai issuing of the PRB card, you know amount card. Okay. But sa reference number they issue the generative visa amount. In a yes successful. Okay. Ubi biara uye you na EU settlement scheme. Won't count. You are not part of it. You are not part of it. Okay. Na no say uyobia ukra 2.5 and as indefinite. So far as any British passport, you are part of it. Okay. And say when you say the visa no ubetimi ade aye. Okay. Don't take chances. Don't take chances because this is the privilege what the ama for the match. Okay. So utrain na ukoye say metren kakra na so na dana medical ka first na ye create visa na anase ye instant within seconds na afa say announce na kwa be go through no obeka yourself you are on the queue na so in I say near you must say and be our baby and problem kakraba. You have to call them, you have to do this, you have to do this. So there has been a lot of traffic in the system now because of the e-visa. Don't wait for the last minute.
All right. Indeed, no, and menino wahe. And chebema musuna. Who will be able to answer 07908443338. That's your call Christmas break. No, I say to me, and so you so to me after lawyer. I was 077-375-72905. 077-375-72905. Wasmart solicitors on board Dalston. 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, London, E8 3DL. Nti lawyer nanamwa and I'm new fidie mo anche be mai musu tu betumi afre for now na enche be mai musu na yako na gese na na akotwa ne dwumedie no so Christmas and ewo ahead of us nyame enso nkra krobia yako through a lot asitene mu enye easy say nkrata sem ne nyama na ma de bebre unwie kra na unwie na nyam na bebre na say still I follow na fi na I said the share code one of the things that it really creating a lot of problems, especially with the workers and the employers, and also say owner of the company near there obi see who apply for juma I say share code we sign share code 32 pana.
So right, also previously, who apply for Juma in order for the employer to verify, say, you have right of work, you have right to work here, as a passport, any new manaba. They say that it doesn't go that way. You have to generate a share code.
A share code.
And you generate a share code. That share code is a code near what they are. So you are sharing with the employer.
Okay.
So we generate a share code now. So how we know employer and also code now the amount. Also the what to system. When you say you have right to live, you have right to work. Everything. The BI betting our pictures nothing na ebe who say a yewo nanamwa me picture ni bidini me date of BBA time me yedema me time be expire. Everything will be there. Now the one say who apply not decision in make or make decision here. Sometimes your previous share code won't me generative because a war system into creative program, but we have reference number. Employers can be able to verify. They call the home office and verify say has the person apply for a renewal and also apply for application be without the share code it is assumed say you don't have right to work because the employer will not be able to verify whether you have right to work. So share code is very, very important and you have to do it. Employer very requested say let us have your share code. And not employer alone. The landlord is also entitled to it. The landlord also can do that.
All right. You have 1 or 2 billion. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, but
good afternoon.
Yeah.
At the time.
Boko, but one
me pacho. Me penamba na maubi. Na so beti me ake kamede to so na wakama me. Na media mani pana. Okay. Pacho.
Okay. Me number my personal number is 077 37 57 2905 077 37 57 2905.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, Kobo.
And I say.
Yeah, lawyer mo me pacho mo official pa. Na mi sha pa.
Na say me so I say me. O cases na ya na. O de ba na o pe nchichimu no. O ye conveyor belt man ko fo na say. O ye citizen advice bureau.
Martin me from Achecho. Me pacho share code no. Ade na we share code na. Me fa say why ne ne. Ade ti ana asa change. Me pacho. Ana de to su mienu. Say o krata home office ka say wonya krata. Na so omujo passport na. Ubetimi without the passport, ubetimi e visa no me pacho.
Okay.
Yeah, masem ye mienu wa. Ya mi shop pa, Japan.
Okay.
Yeah, so share code no year it lasts for 3 months. And so now a best part.
Okay.
But anytime you are obey share code, say you must work with share code. When you figure no 4A42 when the next time so yeah, and you the same share code.
Okay, it keep changing.
It keep
changes.
Your code. It keep changing.
Until one number.
One.
Yeah, because it happen normal.
It keep changes. And you know, there be a baby and every month up to 30 days. Yeah, 3 months before a bear expire.
Okay, give us is 90 days.
Yeah. A better was when your share code will expire. Then the second one question said, so why your application now say or say decision in my decision in my so you wait for the decision before you can pay. No, you can also say time na echo. You can also use your passport to create the share code, to create the e-visa.
Okay.
And it said decision in bar, then you update the system. Now they are so you can use the passport send away and answer we. And you know, the only issue with our Ghanaian passport is that the chip no it make the camera no phone camera na epeke no entime mpeke obre answer that's the only problem. Unlike UK there no so chip ni share inside so Ghana you need chip no na say here no here
no chip
but on plan no share dan here we straightforward into obre kakra but wait me the passport no aye wait me the reference number no application reference number no that the decision also aye whilst you are waiting for your way no
all right and now before we go share the employment law.
Hey, says what the Murphy
employment law. People who
what the Murphy migration employment. Okay.
Bako Penny Uncle. Bibrina, they have faced a lot of problems with their employees. Some of the employers and employees because of Nyaman Kitikitibi. There's a bullying, discrimination, all sorts of things. They infringe people's rights because maybe I say we need amount to foul be in amount with fun. Say on the hand because you chew a penalty on the idea. Oboa no be you will be an na yare aba ebe tone. But who say nipa na wa fa nipa o you sad na ya di nipa na di. What will be sir?
Who say let's look at the actual terms, employee and employer.
Yeah.
So, employer can terminate your appointment based on capacity.
Based on capacity.
Capacity entails illness.
Illness, okay.
Performance. Stealing.
Okay.
Those all things. And it's we yare. Na say yare no ni nyina gyina enye yare bia na yare. Because if you were on a long term,
okay.
We are then na yare no entimi ma wutimi eduma. Oti ase. Enti young man say eduma ya wori ye. You need to be physically here.
Okay.
Now so no e bia we o mobility no emboa ma wutimi mba.
Okay.
Enti no as you say Hot FM what has no offer not alternative route to every say. Say so obetimi ayi wo fie a other than want me macro na one year of fie there will be an adjustment for you so that we be able to operate in the
from the house.
So want me so enye wo fie a na say what I say is it possible say you bet me after another adjustment other says how to reach who will beat me the wapa no be wako so they take off all these things and so now after what we answer I don't know a permanent there's no way with me here you need to be physically here
okay.
For that matter no obet me terminate you on there will be a consultation anyway with you say because of this and this there will be a consultation so now obet me terminate your appointment based on capacity based on capacity and you know and yet straightforward say employer be sorry no say we are renting the UAD a total wrong there should be assessment your friend occupational people will come in to assess you. Now, I will have in your money, and your GP also must be another vital role. Play more way except the evidence because if you were honor, look, let me tell you one story here. That was my previous work. At that time, I was member law in now my colleague be honestly, we are down there. You say normally open when you come. Who down pass 1 hour, but I make the allusion now. No other. Now, who can say, go? Nothing now, the original what they are. Or say, doctor said, and you could say, what you plan. They didn't plant me that. Away to me. In the domain of Randall, just would mean that. What he has said. In a creative program, in all the issue also said, or better, could not. Your friend, camera, not as a pair, send a camera and be channel. A honor because why is serious over that? Who go camera say? Do you understand the technology there? Obako hide it. Okay. In the with me at all. And you cannot tell me on the ordinary sounds there. Me person made that. My put na camera and me Jimmy. It is a strategy no real. Me na metias. But none cost. O also know that. Obession comes outside. It is what that would now to attack. It's when Yama Veno, painful who the own way. In a painful a friend or inviting a bar head office. In our years, I'm catching said, on person assassin. You know, why a woman more doctor. In our assassin within 20 minutes, but almost as I can't be sure, I know what the dismissal letter said. Doctor said he's not fit for work. Okay. He's not fit for work. Intino, we're dismissing. Okay. In other words, Madame, for the milk could be about. So I challenge, say, under what circumstances, what made because what? Because the German doctor said. On your feet. A human doctor, you don't have history about the guy. You only spend 30 minutes to assess the guy. So on what basis in our way you didn't even contact the GP and claim the GP report. But I had to work prepare why because no person we need it. Until Obeka just German na me a way. Until no club many manager to na yankasa. Until I stood it. Now, letters, and I'm saying, no, this total unfair dismissal. It is 1 year BPR. Up in our friend, this primary hearing. In order to call us, we know that Nana will come in. Because the letter we wrote, we could see Nana eye in me. And say, yes, they are wrong. They are wrong. So it shouldn't be so. So, Dr. Nankasa, who is that doctor? You can say, who will be your practice? Then I become a bizarre. Me and my colleague say. Then assessment no yeah also won jina ho ohuri no cost for umbra or yes 5 minutes or no say that is totally wrong. Into me person me who that doctor whether he is indeed or a doctor in a me share report or the man in a me person who say doctor does the doctor make a referral to the employees GP okay want me provide the next answer we are sorry blah 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 into other so human okay. So it is a word who are more probably so that is where bully comes in. Bully but bully should not be entertained. You should not be entertained. A Juma Musana, a Juma Yamamuna, bully no, a walk, Bibri, Bully Obia, but Bibri no, which ye, a before particular Ghana, your face is part of we know and yes. But the other way, no, you see, over fans will go criminal. Criminal aspect. Over fans say, what bullying? In terms of me, and I say, if there's a bully there, don't entertain bullying. Because now, when you waive your right. So in this case, no, you can even terminate yourself, your appointment based on the bullying.
and you can sue.
Oh, that's what. That is now what me assume. Aha. Now, maybe says when the thing happens, what did you do?
What did you do?
Because you have 3 weeks, 3 months within which you must trigger the incident to the your friend court of friend employment.
Or maybe the
Employment, tribunal, employment tribunal.
Yeah.
Now, what me I announce and yes, sometimes what we bet me be doing. You have right because of
infringement.
Yes, so there's a lot of things but unfortunately, we are praying. Say, I say, employment issues. Balance which we tackle ourselves. And yes, say me, I want to be made in lawyer China.
I resume your
media. We don't want to pass on one. In fact,
that's it. Scooby Aba and you went to Scooby can enter. I don't know, and so ever bomb. Very good songs. We don't know Scooby the other bar. Then you know exceptional, different. And in the Scooby or highway, Ubatinenka, your court break your best band, you be an answer lawyer by sign Abba. And you better see Mamuti, mom, we are, which me after lawyer, so you better not see baby. You are not so official.
This is the